A number is picked up at random from 1 to 50, both inclusive. If it is even, counter 1 is incremented by 1. If it is prime, counter 2 is incremented by 1. If it is non-prime odd, then counter 3 is incremented by 1. If all counters read 0, when the experiment started, and the experiment was conducted for a very large number of selections, say n, then which of the following gives the most likely numbers for counter 1, 2, 3? In number of times, very large number, it has been taken, and what is the counter reading? Now in this case, we can see that counter 1, counter 2, counter 3, these readings, how it can be written, that I need to find. We can see for counter 1, we can see that which is nothing but even it is increasing. And even, entire set of even, total number of even out of 50 is 25. Hence the reading will be 25 by 50 fraction of n. So it is nothing but half n. Now for counter 2, which is talking about the prime. If it is a prime, counter 2 is incremented by 1. Counter 2 for prime numbers, and total number of prime, to find it, they are actually 2, 3, 5, 7, continue. Up to 50, it would be 16 prime value. That means reading will be 16 by 50 times of n, which is nothing but 8 by 25 of n value. No, whenever we have counted the prime numbers, we can see that total set of prime numbers would be 2 to 47. If I have considered up to 50, these are 15. So it would not be 16, it would be 15 prime. That means my result will be 15 by 50 of n. So with correction, it would be 15 by 50 of n. So it is coming as 3 by 10 of n. Now returning back to counter 3, which is talking about non-prime odd. Non-prime odd. That means I need to find it out the odd numbers which are non-prime. Now again, non-prime odd, to find it out, we know total odd. is 25, and out of that prime odd, that if I am considering, so from prime odd, these would be all prime odd. So basically 15 minus 1, 14 are prime odd. So returning back, so total odd these, and non-prime odd, non-prime odd would be 25 minus 14. So it is coming as 11. Hence, the counter, it should give you reading as 11 by 50 of n, which is 11 by 50n. That should be the result. So this should be the accurate result. But if you know that whenever we are going with a very large set of calculation, it would approximately goes to 10 by 50, which is nothing but 1 by 5 of n. So taken that 3 sets data, it is appearing as half n, 3 by 10n, and 1 by 5n. Likely the answer, it is coming as option C, 1 by 2n, 3 by 10n, and 1 by 5n. So option C would be our answer.